Alright, I'm going to give it a shot doing a jing on part of this problem 6.3. I believe the part of the problem that I'm going to do this for is the trying out the new data using the models that I came up with. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and copy just some random data. So I'm going to copy my row information over to a tab that I set up for this. So I'm going to copy it over here to the Jing tab. Come back here to my data partition. I'm just going to take the last row, copy it. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this number because it's not really relevant. That's going to be the data that I'm going to want to use, so it's going to be C1 through U2. In fact, I'm going to actually just blank out there because I don't really, that's what I'm going to be predicting. So here I'm going to go to Excel Miner. I'm going to say I want to score. I want to select new data sheet, and that data sheet is the Jing data sheet. It tells me that the data that I want is in C1 to U2, and what I want is the data in C1 to, indeed, U2. Alright, and the stored model, and you can see I've been really trying to figure out these models quite a bit. The stored model that I wanted to use to score this was in 6.3 it said to use model number 3, and so for me that was actually what was called stored 7. So we're going to say we're going to use stored 7. That model. Stored variables are vacation, no, Southwest, no, slot controlled, gate constrained, coupon, high, income, population, distance, and passengers. I want to match variables with the same names. So vacation, Southwest, etc. all come across, and I can say OK. It calculates. It spits out a totally new tab called Score 3, which is my new data, and there's the predicted value. Now, what 6.3 wanted me to do in this was to change some of this data. So I'm going to change the data to the problem data, and then I'm going to pick this back up in a second Jing.